I want to thank everybody personally for what you have done, because you are doing something to restore the heart, the very arterial of the state of Washington, because the salmon carry the hopes and our dreams on their backs, and we now need to bring them back. And when we have for centuries closed off their access to the future, we are now reopening their access to their future and at the same time our future.
Thank you very much, and I'm happy to be here with you. I also want to recognize the many local, state, and federal partners for your tireless dedication in crafting and implementing the Yakima Basin Integrated Plan, which is the valuable framework from which so much of our work in this region flows. The Yakima Basin Integrated Plan truly is a model for our future in how we balance conservation with water supply and economic needs by bringing together tribes, farmers, business owners, recreationists, and community members around a set of common goals and a common purpose.
The project will restore salmon and other threatened fish populations above the Cle Elum Dam, creating nearly 30 miles of protected fish habitat and ensuring that these crucial species can continue to recover.
The Yakima River Basin Integrated Plan has become a model for the nation on how to bring people together to achieve common goals. I am proud to have helped make many of the Yakima River Basin Integrated Plan projects a reality through the passing of the Yakima River Basin Water Enhancement Project Phase 3 Act.
After years of studies, planning, and construction, the Cle Elum Fish Passage project is finally ready to begin the important work of conserving our salmon species in the region.
The return of salmon to this area will have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. Salmon are a keystone species. Their presence is vital to the health of the entire food web. Their return will benefit countless other aquatic species, plants, and animals. A healthy ecosystem isn't just good for the environment, it's good for our community.
Very proud of this facility that we see behind us. I remember when coming up here and looking at this, and it was a hole in the ground. That's all it was a hole in the ground. Facility, Helix Chamber. It has truly come to a full circle.
We weren't sure how this would go, but today we see this huge milestone. But we've got so much more work to do.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
The completion of the intake and Newhouse contract. Really appreciate you guys participating.
2, 1.